Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix TikTok showcase not showing. So if you're currently having problems that your showcase is not showing on your TikTok and you want to be able to fix it, well, I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to fix it myself quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do, you're going to locate the three lines in the top right corner and click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now get these options right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do with these options right here is to just click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, because then it should take you straight to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says support. So click on support, and then it should take you straight to this page right here, which is great. Now on this page, then what you're going to do, you're just going to click on Help Center in here, as you can see. So click on Help Center. It might take a couple of seconds to load this page, just so you know, because then as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So now it actually gives us a lot of alternatives in here, as you can see, but we can just scroll down in here and click on Safety, or rather report a problem, where it says safety, then report a problem, as you can see. Then what you're going to do in here, as you can see, it gives us a lot of a lot of options in here. But what you're going to do, you're going to click on report another issue in here. So as you can see, it says like this. They just basically give us exactly how we can actually report an issue. You can also contact us through our online reporting form. You're going to click online reporting form, as you can see. Then in here, you're going to actually just click on general account inquiry, as you can see. And what you're going to do now is to just select a category in here, as you can see. So for example, we're going to take other in here. So click on other. Then what you're going to do, you're going to now write your email in here, and then your username if you want to. You don't have to write your username, but it's better to actually just do it so that you can actually clarify to them exactly that this is the account that you actually is basically having problems with. So make sure that your email is correct, that is linked to your account if you have one email linked basically, and then your username. And then you're going to write exactly like this to the support. I am having issues with my TikTok. So you're going to write, I'm having issues with my TikTok showcase not working. I need this to be fixed for my account. So this is exactly what you're going to write to them. I'm having issues with my TikTok showcase not working. I need this to be fixed for my account. And then click on submit. And basically when you have done so, you need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to see this. And then hopefully when they have seen this, then this video, or rather this will work for you, and this video has now solved you this problem.